5 degrees is what? Opposite is opposite over adjacent. So it's basically 1 over 1, which is the same as 1. Okay, 1 over 1, which is 1. Okay, so these are the special triangles that are very, very, very useful when it comes to evaluating the trig ratios of 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. But then you might ask yourself then, Uguti, how do I remember all of these triangles? You will recall that in our previous sessions I exclaimed the fact that I'm not a fan of cramming. Okay, so cramming is not a strategy in mathematics. So do not cram these diagrams. Let me just show you a sort of a fantastic way of how to derive these diagrams. Okay, so the best thing for you to do is to understand the derivations that I will demonstrate right now, and then you know that even if you forget these triangles, but then you know how to get to them, then you don't have to memorize anything, because you have the understanding part sorted. So whenever you forget, you can just recreate the diagrams for yourself. Okay, so this one, the 3061, to get this triangle, we start with this one. Okay, so we start from this diagram, or this triangle, which is basically an equilateral triangle, right? Yeah, the triangle with all 3 sides equal to each other. So this has a length of 2, that has a length of 2, and that has a length of 2. And what we know about equilateral triangles is that all angles are the same as well. And with our Euclidean geometry knowledge, we know that if we take all the angles of a triangle, they will give us 180 degrees if we add them together. Now, for us to get the value of this angle and that angle and that angle, knowing very well that all of them are equal to each other, we will basically take 180 degrees and divide it by 3. And if we do that, we recognize that this angle is 60, that one is 60, and that one is 60 degrees. Okay, this is the fundamental diagram that we use to get to this point. Okay, now the last and the very important step is for us to bisect this our diagram, or to divide it into 2 equal parts. Okay, now if that happens, then it means that this angle has been divided into 2 equal parts. In other words, this part is 30 degrees, this one is 30 degrees, and because I've bisected the entire triangle, then this means this side has a length of 1 unit, that one has a length of 1 unit as well. Okay, and then if I remove this part, if I remove one part of it, okay, so I've removed one side of it. Hopefully you can see that this triangle is the very same triangle as this one. Okay, and obviously you can determine the length of this side by using the theorem of Pythagoras, as I demonstrated earlier, and you'll find that this is equal to root 3. Okay, so if you understand that derivation process, then you have no problems in remembering any of this. Okay, or claiming any of this, which is never a good idea, by the way. Okay.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next